everybody! Today we're making an explosive rocket. And everybody, please make sure you have a grown-up with you.
That's me.
And let's get started. So first we have to pour the baking soda
Into the reaction tube, which we already did. And we picked up this rocket at Michael's, which is a craft store where you can buy little science experiments for kids, but any kind of like a toy store or even online will have a baking soda vinegar rocket that you can buy.
So let's pour the vinegar into the rocket. And you notice I'm not using a funnel because we only have one funnel out here. And we used the baking soda. So Dad, I'm going to put this in, but you're going to hold it and then you're going to put it in.
Okay, well let's spin around so people can see. So the vinegar right now goes up to about here, where my finger is, about halfway up.
So
And
when
when
we turn it over, it's going to be about here. So we're going to have to run away really fast.
Yep, when we flip the baking soda tube and put it into the rocket, as soon as we flip the rocket, it's going to start the chemical reaction and start producing a lot of gas.
So my dad's going to do that because I don't want to. And I'm going to do this. So
Push it on hard. Give it a nice tight seal. Get it on nice and tight. Flip it. Now we back up. Give it some room. It'll take a little bit of time to fill with gas.
let's see. What is this chemical reaction? Do it already.
Do vinegar and baking soda react? Or they do nothing? Oh, there it is.
So you can do this multiple times if you fill the tube up completely. If you do it to halfway, you're going to have to start all over.
Yep, just
Saves
clean
a lot of
everything off with water.
Yeah.
And then start again. If the rocket doesn't go high, usually it's because I pushed the stopper on too tight.
Bye. Wait, make sure you like and subscribe this channel.
Oh, good grief.